In this video, I am going to show that how you can add the fraction with different denominators within few seconds. After watching this video completely, you will be able to add any fraction within few seconds. So to add this fraction, we have to do nothing. But first of all, I will write the answer as general procedure or method that we use in our schools and universities to find out the addition of different fraction with different denominator. Since we know that here the one fraction is 6 over 3 and the other is 3 over 8. So by general method, we take the LCM of these two numbers, or we take the least common denominator of both of these fraction. So we will write 24 as least common denominator, and no, we will divide this 24 by this 3, which is equal to 8, and multiply 8 with this 6. So 8 multiplied by 6, and we will add here the answer. The sign is plus, so we'll write the plus sign, and now we will divide 24 by 8, which is equal to 3, and then multiply 3 by this 3, which is 3 times 3. No, 8 times 6 is 48, plus 3 times 3 is 9 over 24. Now we will add 48 with 9, which is equal to 57 over 24. Now we see that what the answer comes from the trick that we add both of these fractions. So simply we will multiply this 8 with this 6, which is equal to, multiply this 6 with this 8, which is equal to 48, and this 3 with this 3, which is equal to 9. 3 times 3 is 9, and 8 times 6 is 48. And simply multiply this 3 with this 8, which is equal to 24. Now 48 with 9, which is equal to 57, and write the denominator as same, which is equal to 24. So here we see that the answer here is 57 over 24, and here the answer is 57 over 24. So it means that this trick work, and you can use this for the addition of unlike fraction or for the addition of fraction with different denominators. Now we will take another example in which have two fractions with different denominator. Here we see that the denominator here is 2 and the denominator is 8. So again we will multiply 3 with 8, which is equal to 24, plus, because here the sign is plus, and multiply 2 with 4, which is equal to 8. No, multiply this 2 with this 8, which is equal to 16. So add 24 with 8, which is equal to 32 over 16. Now here we say that 16 times 1 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32, which is equal to 2 over 1 is equal to. So 3 over 2 plus 4 over 8 is equal to 3 over 2 plus 4 over 8 is equal to. So that is the trick that you can use for the addition of fraction with different denominator. Now the same trick can be used for the subtraction of fraction by different denominators. Here we see that the denominator is 5, and here the denominator is 6. So simply we will multiply the 6 with 4, which is equal to 24, minus, because here the sign is minus, and multiply this 5 with this 3, which is equal to 15, divide by, multiply this 5 with this 6, which is equal to 30. So subtract 15 from 24, which is equal to 9, or write the denominator as same, which is equal to 30. Now we see that both of the 9 and 30 are divisible by 3, so we will write as 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 10 is 30, so the answer will be 3 over 10. So we can easily subtract any fraction from another using this trick. So here we take another example with different denominators and subtraction sign between them. So we can easily subtract any fraction from another using the trick. So multiply this 2 with this 6, which is equal to 12, minus multiply this 3 with 5, which is equal to 15, and multiply this 3 with this 2, which is equal to 6. Now subtract 15 from 12, which is equal to minus 3, and write the denominator 6 is same, which is equal to 6. So if we subtract 5 over 2 from 6 over 3, the answer will be minus 3 over 6. So thank you for watching our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting videos.